I will. Arithmetic progressions. And yesterday relations we found domain and range and all. The model questions you have done.
Yes, sir.
Domain finding, range finding. Done, right?
Yes,
so
sir. Done.
any new students are there, don't worry. That's a simple questions only. Just go through that inside textbook also will get. Otherwise, any doubts is that you can ask me. I will explain that. Okay. Today our topic is actually sequence and series. In that, arithmetic progression is the first one. Basic arithmetic progressions they will ask. Okay. Keep the heading all of you. You studied this is in 10th standard arithmetic progressions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Arithmetic progressions. Keep the heading all of you. Arithmetic progression. You have studied only arithmetic progression or geometric progression also you studied?
Only
Also only
arithmetic
ABC.
progression, sir.
Arithmetic progression. The shortcut name is EP. Arithmetic progression. Yeah. Can we start?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. What is the meaning of this arithmetic progression? When you are going to be called the given numbers are an arithmetic progression. For suppose this is already studied in 10th standard. That's why I'm giving that examples here now. Yes. For suppose, let me take that a sequence of numbers. Simple numbers I will like wait. Easy method things. 1, 4, 7, 11, 15. See, if we take these numbers like by this way, now this is the call. This is the first number we can call as first term. We can call as T1. There's a meaning called first term. This is we can call as T2, second term. T3, T4, T5. Total number of terms are we have 5 terms here. Among these 5 terms, what's the difference between these 2 terms?
3,
D,
sir.
sir.
What's the difference between these 2 terms?
3, sir.
3,
3, sir.
What's the difference between these 2 terms?
4, sir.
3,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
3.
Now you can see what's the difference between these 2 terms?
3, sir.
3, sir.
Okay. Now the difference will be everywhere. You can check that the difference will be same. You're getting. When you get the difference will be same, then we can say that the given terms are in the given numbers are in arithmetic progression. Entire sequence, whatever they give, the difference must be same. For suppose if same thing 1, 4, 7, 10, if 11 is there, it's not AP. Why? Because the difference will be 3. The difference will be 3. The difference will be 3. If you take 11 here now, the difference will be how much? 1 or not?
1, sir.
So it's not AB series. Entire series with as the same common ratio, then we can say that they are in arithmetic progression. Okay. So generally, how we can define that arithmetic progression means, yes, the AP series I'm writing. Let small a be the first term and small d be the
Common difference.
common difference. The common difference. Then A plus D, A plus 2D, up to so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is we can call as AP series with the common. What is the first term here?
1,
A.
sir.
Second term? A plus. third term a plus 2d. Like what's the nth term here? A plus,
N minus
N minus
into
1 into D.
you have studied even this also in 10th standard.
Yes, sir.
The nth term of the AP series. A plus n minus 1 into d. Note down all of it. The nth term of the series. A plus n minus 1 into d. The nth term of the series. A plus n minus 1 into d. Note down all of it. A plus n minus 1 into d. The nth term of the series. A plus n minus 1 into d. Now, similarly, here the main thing is here in the arithmetic progressions, we are going to be find out the n number of terms and sum of n terms. Yes. A plus d up to so on. A plus n minus 1 into d. We can call this is the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms of AP. When you're going to be find the sum of n terms of AP, we can denote it with Sn. N by 2. Tell me what is the formula?
Sir, can I say which sum you're doing, sir? I was having
2a
net.
plus n minus 1 into D.
Somebody is asking
Sir, I was having net issue. Can I say which sum you're doing now?
which
Which sum, sir?
I'm not teaching the sum, I'm teaching the problem theory first.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just I'm going to be discuss that sum of n terms of AP series.
Okay, sir.
Sum of n. So this is also we can write as n by 2 first term plus last term. Sn equal to first term plus last term. This can also be written as Sn equals to first term plus last term. Note down these points, all of you. Note down these points. Note this, all of you. You have studied this proof 2a plus n minus 1 into d in 10th standard or not?
We studied. Sir.
You studied or not?
Yes, sir.
So that's what I was. If you study this proof, I no need to discuss the proof, right? Just you can remember as a formula is in sum of n terms of
Yes, sir.
sum of n number of terms. So for Monday's exam, they'll ask you to find out that only the series which has sum of n terms and how to find the nth term of the given series. How to find the nth term of the given series. How to find the nth term of the given series. Understand? Sum of n terms
Yes,
and
sir.
how to find the nth term of the given series. Yes. For suppose I'm going to give one question. Look at this question now. The given an a suffix n, an equals to 10 minus 3n. An equals to 10 minus 3n. This is given an nth term. an equals to n minus 3n. Then find a1, a2, a3. Find a1, a2, a3 and check they are in AP or not. How to find a1? Tell me, anyone in the class? 10 minus
3 into 1.
will be 7 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
10 minus 3 into 2.
2. 6. 4, sir. One, sir.
Now I'm writing it. 7. What is the common difference between the numbers?
Minus
sir.
3, sir.
Minus 3.
Very good. T2 minus T1. T3 minus T2. So this clearly are in arithmetic
AP
progression.
series.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The given nth term and the last us to find out that the given terms are in AP or not. If the given AP. Look at the next question. The given minus 7. The given the term, which term of the sequence is which term? Is minus 403. Which term of the sequence is minus 403? Which term of the sequence is minus 403? So tell me how to find anyone in the class, you know?
We must use the formula, sir.
Yes. Tn equals what's the formula?
Minus 4.
A plus n minus 1.
They're asking which term. We don't know which term, right? Let it be nth term of the series.
Minus
D means common difference.
4, sir.
Minus 3 minus of minus 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the minus the other side.
For minus 400, sir. Minus 4.
Very good. Minus 400. This is minus 400 actually. Minus 400 equal to n minus 1 by 4. So that implies n minus 1 equal to how much will get?
Minus 100, sir. So then minus 99, sir.
Very good. Others also understand that you can check. Only Chandan is
C
talking.
is
in the
minus
class.
4, sir.
Which is minus 4?
D is minus 4.
Which is this is a minus 4.
Yes, a common difference
Common
is
difference.
minus 4.
Okay, okay. Sorry. Correct. The common difference is minus 4. Correct. My mistake. Minus 4. So this
So
is
then
minus
answer
4 is we'll get 100 or
plus
not?
9.
So
Yes, sir.
100 means how much will get n equals to 1 or 1, right?
101.
N equal to 1 or 1 or 2?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I don't know. If you finish studying, please let me know. Next question. Look at this is a question. If the third term of AP is 18 and seventh term is 30, then find the series. Tell me anyone. Third term is what you have to find?
A plus 2D is equals to 18C.
Very good.
Then A plus 6D is equals to 30C.
Second equation and first equation. Can we solve these two?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A plus 60 equal to 30. Four B equals 30 minus 18. Well, D equal to how much we got?
3.
3, sir.
D equal to 3 means then E equal to how much? Substitute here. 2 3 is 6. 18
3,
minus
sir.
6. What about that? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for the series, the first term is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, dot dot dot. A is what here now? 12. 12 plus 3 is 15, 18, 21, dot dot dot. That's the answer. Okay, wantedly they'll make you to confuse. Okay, I also forgot to say this. This is sequence. This is sequence. They will say find the arithmetic series. Series means what you write? So understand?
Yes, sir.
If the last person series, you have tried the middle plus. Next question. Next question. See, this is a little important model. All of write down the question along with me. The fourth term is equals to 3 times the first term, and the seventh term exceeds twice the third term by 1. Then they ask us to find the value. Then find A and B. First term and common difference they ask us to find. I will give 2 minutes time. Anyone in the class, tell me the conditions first. Was it given?
Sir, A plus 3D is equal to 3
Tell me T4 equals to
3D.
3 into
3
A1,
into
sir.
A.
3 into A1 or 3 into T1. A4 equals T4 you can write or A4 you can write. Next condition was it given?
T7.
7.
Yes.
T7 equals to
2 into A plus 2D, sir.
2 into
A plus 2D.
T3
A plus
plus
2D.
1.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Seventh term exceeds twice the third term by 1. How to find T4? You find the value of A and D now. Find the value of A and D. Got anyone A value? Chandan,
Finding, sir.
how to find T4?
Sir, A value is A plus 3D by 3, sir.
3 into how much will get T1 is nothing but A or not?
Yes, sir.
A is 3, sir.
A is how much?
3.
Correct. A is 3 is correct.
D is 2, sir.
Correct. If you send the value other side, correct or not? How to find T7? To A plus. So if you send the value other side, this value we can send this side. 2D A plus 1. We got 2 equations total. From 1, what's the value of D equals to 2A by 3 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Substitute this in the second equation. Do the cross multiply. 3A plus 3. A equals to 3. If A equals to 3, then D equals to how much? 2 or not?
Yes, sir. 2.
So, okay, everyone, you understand or not? Aarti, understand? Devishri, Geetika,
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi,
Yes, sir.
Yashasvi, Dhawan, Monica,
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yeah, sir.
Prarthana,
Yes, sir.
understand Prarthana?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Finish the writing, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Next question. Madam. The P, youth, and R the term. Are A, B, and C respectively. Then they're asked us to find the value. P times of B minus C, Q times of C minus A, R times of A minus B equal to how much? Yeah, this is a very simple only. Tell me, TP equal to how much is given? How much is given TP equals to?
Yes.
PQ equals to?
B, sir. TRSC.
So how to find TP? Tn formula is what?
A plus n minus 1
A
into
plus.
D.
So like TP equals to A they're given.
A plus Q minus 1 into D.
PR they're given C.
A plus R minus 1 into D.
Yes. The simple way to find out this: first equation, second equation, third equation. First, let me find here now 1 and 2 subtraction. Do the subtraction of 1 and 2. What will you get? Tell me. Tell me anyone in the class. If you take D common here now, what will you get? Tell me. Say faster. Hello? If you take D common there, what will you get?
Minus Q, sir.
Fine.
Tell me P minus 1.
A plus B.
If you multiply this minus, this plus and plus get cancel. D into P minus Q equals to how much will get? A minus B. You understand what I said?
No,
Everyone?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir.
Say yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
can you explain again, sir?
Where? From here? Huh?
Yes, sir.
From starting or from there?
No, sir. 1 minus equation 1 minus equation 2.
If you subtract equation 1 and equation 2, what's the equation 1 that given? A plus P minus 1 into D, right?
Yes, sir.
What's the equation 2 they given?
A plus
Q minus 1 into D
into D.
equal to B or not? If you
Yes, sir.
subtract these two equations, A and A get cancelled or not?
Yes, sir.
Then if A and A get cancelled, here see. In this equation, the common part is D or not?
Yes, sir.
If you take D common, what's the remaining value here in the first equation?
Yes, sir.
P minus 1.
Second equation,
Q minus 1.
between minus is there or not?
Yes, sir.
If you multiply this is with minus, plus 1 minus 1 cancel or not?
Yes, sir.
We'll get this. Understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Now similarly, if we do 2 minus 3, we'll get D times of 2 and 3. Q minus R will get, correct?
Yes, sir.
And if we do 3 minus 1,
P minus R.
C minus A. Okay. Substitute all these values in place of this. Okay. And try this now. See, I'll off my speaker. Now some sound is coming here outside. You try this. You substituted there. Anyone
Yes, sir.
substituted? Anyone substituted there? See, then construction is going on, so you'll get construction sound. Okay, don't get scared. What's the first one? P into B minus C equal to how much I got?
Q minus R.
Yes. Q minus R plus Q into C minus C equal to how much I got?
R minus B.
D is there, I like D also. Okay, don't worry. R into E minus B, how much I got?
P minus.
Okay, everywhere D is there actually. The D I will take common here. Multiply this now, what will get? PQ.
Sir, 0, sir.
Yes, exactly. QR. PQ cancel. PR cancel. QR cancel. We'll get 0. Check, you want me to explain one more time? I'll explain one more time. Anyone in the class? If you want me to explain one more time, I'll explain that. Everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Slowly only you can write. I'll give one generalized question of AP question. We'll try this question. Write down along with me, all of you. A man saves 320 rupees. 320 rupees. 320 rupees. In the month of January. Month of January. He saves 360 rupees. In the month of February. Next, 400 rupees. 400 rupees. In the month of March. In the month of March. If he continues his savings in the same way find his savings in the month of November. In the month of November. Of the same year. Do you understand the question now, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's the first year, first month, how much is saving?
320,
320,
Next,
360,
360,
next,
400.
400.
continuation, right? This is the first month, second month,
Third month.
third month, continuously it is. Total 12 months is there. Now, these are arithmetic progression or not, clearly?
Yes,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
The common difference is how much? 40 rupees, right?
Yes, sir.
Common difference is 40 rupees. Now the question is, in the month of November, they asked. In the month of November. Anyone in the class? Can you tell me?
Sir, is that 720? 720.
Very good, very good. Correct. 320 plus what I have tried?
11, sir.
320 plus
3 minus
10.
11 minus
40.
1, 40.
Because 11th month is November, right?
Yes, sir.
So 320
Plus 10 into 40.
320 plus 400. 720 rupees.
720.
There's a 720 rupees you can save in the last.
Sir,
Yeah.
instead of using this formula, can we use that A11 equals A plus 10B?
Oh yeah, you can use that.
Yes, sir.
Because 11th month is the November month, right?
Yes, sir.
A plus 10D directly you can write, no problem. You can write directly. A plus 10D. Your which it is. A plus 10D is also correct. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
Look at this is the next question. Odd integers. 1 to 2001. What is sum of all the odd integers from 1 to 2001? Anyone in the class? Tell me how to find.
Sir, A plus L.
Tell me more.
n by 2 into A plus L, sir.
Very good. A and L we know, but how to find n value or not? How to find the n value? Anyone in the class?
2001 is equal to A plus n minus 1.
Very good. 2001 equals to A plus. These two are common difference. Yeah. If you send the one value other side, 2000. N minus 1 equals 2000 divided by 2. How much?
1000.
So what is the total number of terms? Correct or not? So 1001 divided by 2. What's the first term plus last term?
2002.
Two of times cancel. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
How much will get 1001 into 1001 whole square? Find all of this value. How much? Tell me how much?
Sir, 10020001, sir.
001, huh?
Yes, sir.
Not done.
Sir, one show me the previous slide, sir.
What?
Previous slide, sir. Thank you, sir.
Finish the writing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Today I'll close the class because next to my house construction is going on. They're drilling and all they're doing. Okay. Tomorrow again Monday we'll discuss. Okay.
A study class is there, no, sir?
Which one?
Study class.
Study class.
When?
Sir, it's at 2
Today-
o'clock. 2 o'clock,
What
sir.
time?
2 o'clock, sir.
I will not. I will not take today the class. Okay.
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 Bye.
Okay.
Sir, it's
Thank you,
3:15,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.